Abananga kodwa uthi abangani bakhe abakubo bathi
ke a mo rata mara problem ke hore o moholo haholo ho nna
so wena uthuza ukuthi uzise mina obuhlungu uzothi engasabona amakhamereni uzontshela ireason kahle.
Hey yo, with your boy M, it is what it is before it was what it was. This is Save My Relationship brought to you by Spread Inc. Entertainment. On today's episode, ngiphethe uKamu bringing uDumi. Let's get into it.
Hi, bitso la ka ke Kamu. Ke tlile mo ho tla save a relationship ya ka because heso ba njaja le tshomtsa ka di njaja ka hore ke jola le motho o moholo ko nna haholo. So ke kopa di advice from you guys.
Hey yo, with your boy M, we're back at it again, like we never left. As I said, ngizoba no Kamu and uDuma umuntu wakhe. So it is what it is before it was what it was. Duma uyazi uthuzeleni kule show yethu.
Angazi Brian ngiyamangala ngithola amakhamera mina ngikwazi ngibe shopping eJozi nje.
Oh, benizeli shopping nomuntu wakho. Oh, okay. And then Kamu muthu wa itse gore
Azanga mjwetsa hore ho tla etsalang.
No, okay. So, okay, basically our show is show yomjolo niyabona guys. It's Save My Relationship. If there's problems in your guys' relationships, this is the place to come, whereby you come and speak your problems. That's how the show is. When I do me, is there something that's going on? Next. Okay, next. Okay, how long have you guys been dating?
1 year 2 months.
1 year 2 months.
Yeah.
Okay, you guys have a child? Alinangwana?
Yes.
No, okay. And then ngicabanga ungenza kuba nomntwana or anything sort of.
Yeah, ngiyamfuna ngicela umtshela nje naye.
Oh, uhlezi umtshela. No, okay. So uKamu, there's something she wants to tell you. Angazi if ukutshela into yakhona mara we'll just give her a platform ukuthi akutshele. Okay, Kamu kana wamjwetsa gore why umtlisitse mo showing ya Save My Relationship ne?
All right.
Yeah.
Ke utlisitse mona because of go so like banjaja le ditshomtsa ka di anjaja le ko sekolong ba ntsheya hore ke jola le motho o moholo ko nna. So ke tshaba lo ba le ngwana le wena because of ngwana ka batlo mo bitsa mkhulu ko sekolong. Yeah, like ke feel bad.
O batlo bitsa Duma mkhulu.
Batlo bitsa ngwana ka ha se ke na le ngwana le yena hore ke mkhulu because ntate o tla ba le moholo haholo ko nna.
Oh, una ganela ngwana.
Ke nahanela ngwana. Le nna ke nahanela something like.
A umrate ganti Duma.
Ena ke amrata haholo because wa nahanela like unahanela more. Unyetsa everything mara umuholo wona.
No, okay. So Duma uyayizwa ke indaba yakhe khala ngayo uthi yini?
Ngiyayizwa bra.
Ukhala ngokuthi like wena umdala kuye mara uyakuthanda. It's all because of peer pressure. Abangani bakhe nabakubo bakhala ngokuthi umdala kunaye.
Hayi ngiyamuzwa. Kodwa wena uthanda abakubo uthanda mina awura abangani bakhe.
Urata mama.
Ke amrata ena mara ha ke sa khona because of banjaja ena haholo.
Ukana wa bua le yena cause gona no is like bua le nna a bua le yena wa bona ntho. Yeah, so what about Jaja cause umkhulu didn't you see it like when you guys started dating okay he's older than you Mutona and then after 1 year is too much. You could have seen it maybe in 6 months okay Mutona is older than you. I'm told. Angazi if you understand.
Let's get kube wayala yini. Manje ngoba setshelwa ngabantu yena. So is it decide otherwise? You know uphilela abantu uphilelana. Yena shoda ngayo uma umtela wona. Umtela ngayo 4 years.
Yeah, like ne ke o rata mara I never ke khone o etsa ntho because of banjaja ne ke feel bad better ke jola le dithaka tsaka.
Just because of family yakho nabangani bakho. Wena unthanda ubuzola nabo ngithi.
No, ke o rata mara like I never ke khone o jola le motho o moholo ko nna. O moholo haholo ko nna. So like ke feel bad because ba njaja ba ntsheya loko sekolong.
Or usuthola okuthandayo esikolweni.
No,
ube free unje.
Awuna muthu maybe umthotsing.
Hauna muthu ke mthotsing.
Because le nna ke nagana gore maybe there's someone umtholile yabo.
Angeke kube i-reason leyo nje.
Hauna muthu ke mthotsing. It's just that I can't batho ba njajang. Ke feel bad batho ba njaja plus ba ntsheya.
So have you ever told Duma gore they judging you guys relationship ya lona?
No, I so mjwetse.
This is the first time u bua ka ntwe.
Yeah.
And then Duma go be akutshedile before like yonke lento lena.
Angizange nje. Bese happy yonke le.
Mara mina ngiyasho ukuthi wa kube akutshedile mhlambe ni2 before. Akazakutshela indaba.
Namanje suke endlini bese happy nje sizibuye.
Nizozothenga nje kuphela izinto.
Uzothengisa.
So Kamu, king like okay, are you falling out of love? Awusam right motho ona.
Ke morata mara problem ke hore o moholo haholo ho nna le ko lapeng like family ya ka ke sa fila right because of baditsi ba njaja ka hore ke jela le batho ba baholo ko nna na thakatsa ka di. So ke bona ho le right hore ke jele le thakatsa ka. Ke tlele batho ba baholo.
Now kana o bua le ena mona cause nna ke a ithola ntho o bua ka yona mona. Mara tshwantse o bua le motho wa hao like okay le ena o mutle gore what is he saying to what you saying kona no. Yebo. So angazi ngoba ngathi anikhulumisani kule ndaba yenu no2 nikhuluma nami like bona uyizwa injani into ayishoyo manje.
Akima make sense.
Ay make sense.
Asicabananga kodwa uthi abangani bakhe abakubo bathini.
Ningakhulumisana no2 like nizama ukulungisa le ndaba le wena ufuna ukubreak up naye usisi.
Ngizomnika ispace. Uzothi mase cabangile into ayifuna uzongifonela or what. Because mina I make sense kimi lento kanjela yo. Or mase itholela umuntu omthuleyo uright nakho. Because I ngizwa kahle brami.
Wena usase lapho ukuthi uthola umunye umuntu.
Everything yo leyo hayi. Angeke nje le family yakhe nabangani bakhe.
Kamre kopa ubue nite gore okay maybe una le motho just let him know because this is the right platform to let him know gore okay una le motho mongwe and you don't want him anymore. That's like it's understandable. Le ena o tlo understand like gore umdambe just to say he's too old I want to tell you le ena ha ithole sentle gore okay this is the thing a right way to break up because o tlo ibutsa le ena gore okay it's too old how because kuna le batho that are too old that are married to each other. Someone is living the person ka majara like a lot of years 10 years kuna le gap ya 10 years your gap is too small 4 years. I think maybe how ka bua le ena nite gore okay no nna taba iso le so no
okay I so tell motho mara problem ke hore I never ke tlotlisa family ya ka bohloko because of yena because aba rata hore be ke jola le motho moholo ko nna. If family sa thaba that means tama etsa ntho e ba thabisang.
So wena uthuza ukuthi osemini obuhlungu.
No akutlisi bohloko.
Ujabulisa abangani bakho.
Ake thabisi chomi tsaka batla family ya ka thaba. Be right because banjaja and awul.
Bao charge.
Hayi. Zomnikeza lokho amfunayo but uyazi ukuthi la unthola kuma info.
Okay, anhlali nonke.
Siyavakatshelana phela.
Oniyavakashelana, nihlala eKaseli 1.
Nihlala eKaseli.
Nihlala eKaseli 1. So wena uyavuma ukuthi like wena naye ni break up?
Angivumi bram but
kufana ni break up le.
Ngizomnika ispace.
Umnika space.
Uzothi ngasabona amakhamereni uzontshela ireason kahle. Ngoba manje maybe ubona amakhamera ubona nawe angazi.
Eish, yeah ngiyayizwa ne. Ngiyayizwa indaba yenu guys. Nami angazi ukuthi ngithini. So kinto obatla go bua le yona fela a gona next obatla go mjwetsa.
Ke yona fela ke batla go mjwetsa gore a itsebe.
Eish. hayi nami ingiceda amagama le ndaba yenu guys ngoba anilwi anixabana ngithi
xatshwana
yonke into right
yami yazibuza ukwenzakalani asixabani ya right
so ka mo re ka ikwala
ya re ka ikwala because at least ke mo jweditse nnete o sa tseba no re na o etsahalang
so o itse a ona motho a kere
a ke na motho
a mo jolele
ne ke sa mo jolele
so what if I find out gore go na le motho mongwe no mo jolela ka o bua nnete a kere no
no ke bua nnete
okay athusisa ukhuluma iqiniso ke usisi mawumuzwa kahle kahle na uze kule show lena not to save it bekazo break up now ngiyayizwa bona bonga umunye umuntu omjolela
ngenayo
okay ngoba some other things yabona they are caused ukuthi mhlambe bomjolela wena ngale bese wakubona washo okay lo ngizomdampa ngelanga eliso
ngiyamjolela
yonke into be right
yonke into be right ram esijabulile so ngazi why
okay so Tumothi uyavuma ukuthi lento iphele vele wena no sisi
ayipheli bram ngizomnika ispace sakhe
okay kusho ukuthi uyavuma ukhuluma ngokumnika ispace
mnika ispace amfomi into ayisho
mara ke kupa uqhubeke umpatalele school fees
hayi ngeke into engiyenza abangani bakho labo family yakho bazokubhadala school fees
please babe
hayi ngasobhebhu wakho
so bayabhadala school fees
ona mpatala school fees
so no batla gore a qhubeke go patala school fees
ke kupa uqhubeke go mpatala school fees
into engeke ngiyenze
so
akabhadelelwe ngabangani bakhe labo mama bakhe ifamily yakhe yonke kanti izomkhona
kanti bongamthandi
bengimthanda namanje ngisamthanda
so manje wafuna ukuyeka ukubhadala school fees angithi
angisathanda naye
awusathanda naye
so why kumele ngibhadale school fees angisathanda naye nami ngizobhadalela abangani bami nefamily yami
no okay
naye uhlukane nami ngabangani bakhe nefamily yakhe so lami imali akulebe ngumnika yona
ukhatha out
izwe ifamily nami nabangani bami singayiphuza leyo school fees yakho imali eningi ufuna school fees yakho lesi imali
eningi so bomenzelani futhi bombhadala school fees nani
la ahlala khona eflatini ngibhadalele
ne rent
bese sukile kuba bengisahlala
so wabona ntwe ya gore ikhatha dilo tse ngata
ke bona re khatha ntwe tsa ka tse ngata
mara it's for your peace again
yeah mara ke kupa fela mpatale school fees
ngiyenze le wayo into engeke ngiyenze angeke ngiyenze uzobhadalela ifamily yakhe nabangani bakhe hayi kimi school fees ngabantwana bakithi uyabazi
abantwana bakini uzobhadela abantwana bakini
hayi
okay
ngiyiphuze le mali ngiyama nje ngisebenza uzoyiphuza every day ngiyama
so sozoba nemali eningi
ubhadalela umuntu engibona nje estradini engakwazi nokuba phela manje akasena connection nami ngithi
uyamkhatha nawo yonke into ngoba
ngisemkhatha maye serious nganto ayisho kimi mas qeda lento yeno ngithatha amanamba ami asabona mina
yeah ke bona nthe khatha ntse tse ngata mara like ke a kopa
okay I guess uzoyivala lana ne ngoba so libela si jump around. I think the best way ukuthi sivale lana and then you guys will angazi ukuthi nizoyilungisa kanjani ngoba indaba khona anikhona ukuyilungisa ngithi
manje ngeda la inamba yakhe ngiyayidelete ngayidelete phambi uthathe into zakhe ngizothumela umuntu azize kuye engasabuyi kwami
okay
decidile yena ngithi
yeah decided so she's leaving to her
ngiyamnika into ayifunayo nami manje
so now ukhatha yonke into
ngiyamnika into ayifunayo manje
okay ngizoyivala ke ne okay it is what it is before it was what it was. It's your boy M, as you heard from Ukamo no Dumalana. Story sabo I don't know, like You guys, you just have to comment. We don't know how to fix this one here. Ngoba Ukamo is crying about Uduma umdala nakuye mara uyamthanda Uduma, and then Uduma naye ngapha usamthanda Ukamo mara things cannot work out because of the age difference. It is what it is. Before it was what it was. It's your boy M. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. We out.